Once the seat pad is dry, you're ready to put it back on the inner carrier shell. Align the top of the elastic with the top of the shell, smooth it around, and then bring the cover and smooth it down and in. Once you have the top smoothed in, then these tabs right here are going to get tucked in. You'll need to stretch the fabric down a little bit to get the edge to catch. And then once it's caught, just tug and the other side should catch as well. And then repeat on the other side. Once you have the tabs in place, then smooth the remainder of the cover down, tucking the elastic as you go. Once all of the elastic has been smoothed around and the tabs are tucked under, do a double check to make sure that the slots in the seat pad are lined up with the slots in the seat shell.